Welcome users, this is going to be the first video of Habbo Solutions tutorials by Cushioned from the forum. First off, we're going to start with designing your layout. So let's go ahead and open up Microsoft Paint, which I'm sure 99% of you have, unless you're viewing this on a Mac. So let's let that open real quick. Alright, so first off, you need to choose a canvas size. A real quick easy trick is Control E, width, height. You can change it. I'm going to do 500 by 400. And we're going to start out with a basic maintenance page. Let's go ahead and click OK. Another trick I'm going to teach you is Control, whoops. We're going to do Control plus page down. Well, can't really do that. Alright, so a trick I'm going to teach you is Control page down and page up. Page down zooms you in. Page up zooms you out. It's all. You can also do it with this. 1, 2, 6, 8 zooms you way in. It's a lot easier to deal with pixels like that. But anyways, let's do a banner. I'm just going to do this very basic. Obviously, you guys can detail yours. We're going to do a square banner up here. You can do whatever size, doesn't matter. You can expand your canvas for like 3-column layout. This is just a maintenance page. So I'm actually just going to do an entirely square layout. Then there's no transparent corners, less work, easier to do. Now I'm going to zoom in. Grab the line tool. Let's see if I can do it up here real quick. Never mind, I won't be zooming in. So anyways, we've got the basic parts of our layout. I missed this side right here somehow. So this is our banner right here. Now we've got our content box, which you can actually toss in another box right here. Do it with the line tool. Then you could say news. You could have like updates, or you could even have a DJ says right there, something like that. And this is your content. So these are the basics. Now I'm gonna go through coloring. Let's go ahead and take news and content out. Let's start with your news box. Let's zoom in. Control page down. Now you can go ahead and look up close. We're gonna do red. It's a very neutral color. It's actually harder to use, but no, we're gonna go with blue. It's easy. Easy colors. One trick to always remember is to not ever use these default colors. None of these, people will know. You can tell it looks terrible. It's like if I were to go like this, just grab this one. I mean, you could tell. If you just look at that, you can tell it's paint. Like, that just means you don't care. You're not putting any work or effort into your work, and you just shouldn't do it. We're gonna do a turquoisey blue kind of color. As you can tell, that's not a default color. Now we're going to do another light color. Page down. Draw a line through the middle. I should probably be doing this in normal view, but I'm just winging this. Got that line. Now let's fill the color of that up in the top. Now you can see you've got a 2-color news button. Let's grab font. Let's make it white, transparent. We'll drag it to be centered on the bar. Then whenever you code this, you can have a marquee going right here. I mean, you could even have this outlined. It would look better like that, but I'm just doing basics like I said before. Another trick to also know is not to use black. I don't know why I did. I was just kind of, again, showing you. So we're going to do a light gray. Let's just grab one of these little black lines. Oh, keep making that mistake. And it'll color the whole thing gray. It's too light. We'll go dark. Now we've got the whole thing in gray. Obviously, once there's content in a background, it'll look a lot better. But these are the basics. Now you want to take your color that you just got and get a really, really nice light color of it. Make sure it's still like a similar color, but you want to zoom in. I like to do this a lot, shading. We'll do it with 2 pixels. And you just go ahead and outline your entire box on the inside and shade your entire box. I'd usually have this done by now, but this editing software for filming and such makes it a lot harder to process everything. And make sure, if you ever make like the slightest little pixel error, you fix it, because whenever you finish your layout, you can definitely tell it's there. So you might as well fix it while you can, or while you're doing it, so then you don't have to go back. Just about done with shading this. And there's your layout. That stands out quite a bit, so let's dim it down a little, so it's not too much of a shadow. See if I can get it. Alright, so then you've got your shadowing, your news bar. This is where your content's gonna go, right around here. With your banner, obviously you could put like a hotel view for it, etc. This is a basic tutorial for designing your layout. So, check out my next vid. It's gonna be on slicing this layout for coding and preparing for your coding. So make sure you stay tuned and keep checking back for our latest videos, my latest videos at habosolutions.net. This is Cushion, the owner of the forum. Keep it bumping.